In 1883, the editor of the American Journals of the Deaf wrote, "It is not unreasonable to hope that some instrument will yet be contrived that will transcribe ordinary human utterance." After a wait of over a century, what was once a dream is now available product. Introducing the Interact AS Suite from Auditory Sciences. Unlike older systems, with Interact AS, you no longer need to lug around and assemble a bulky system. Unlike keyboard-only systems, with Interact AS, you no longer need to find a flat desktop surface in order to use your system. Unlike using sign language interpreters, you no longer need to schedule appointments in advance. Unlike remote transcriptionists or cart services, with Interact AS, you do not need to be connected to the internet. And unlike CapTel or video relay services, with Interact AS, there is no stranger listening in on your conversations. Individuals that are deaf or hard of hearing are using the Interact AS Suite wherever they go. For private conversations, with friends, or with coworkers. In conference room meetings to transcribe whatever is being said. At seminars and lecture halls, and for religious services throughout the world. Interact AS is also being used in the classrooms at schools, for Skype telephone calls, and when simply visiting with friends and with neighbors. With Interact AS, you can have direct private conversations with anyone, anywhere, and anytime. With other approaches, you often have to include a third person in your conversations. Many times, this is a complete stranger that you have never met. With Interact AS, you no longer have to worry about someone listening in on all your conversations. Interact AS is simple to use. With Interact AS, the most recent phrase is displayed right at the top of your computer. Unlike typing-only systems where you're forced to look at a keyboard, with Interact AS you can look directly at the other person. This way you can use visual information, such as lip reading and facial gestures. Interact AS also keeps a complete transcript of the entire conversation that you can save for future reference. Plus, you control when the transcript feature is turned on and who can see that transcript. Unlike other systems, Auditory Sciences understands that each of us is an individual with our own communication requirements, that one system simply does not fit everyone. With the Interact AS Suite, you pick what works best for your situation. Select a smartphone, tablet, laptop, or desktop configuration. Choose any combination of speech, handwriting, tapping, or typing as your inputs. Choose to use one monitor, or if you like, multiple monitors with separate keyboards. Select from a wide variety of wired or wireless microphone options, and create your own personalized voice that matches you as an individual. You can even add optional language modules that allow you to directly communicate in dozens of languages. Anything you enter will be voiced aloud in a second language, and anything someone says, types, or writes in that second language is instantly translated and displayed in English. If you do not have the ability to speak, you know that typing or writing entire sentences takes time and shifts your attention away from the other person. You end up just looking at a keyboard. Interact's built-in shortcuts, such as term expansions, phrase building, keywords, and one-tap favorites lists, make entering phrases and voicing them aloud quick and easy. The Interact AS Suite is brought to you by Auditory Sciences, a Star Award winner for assistive technology. Interact AS meets the requirements specified in the Americans with Disabilities Act, is Section 504 and 508 compliant, and is certified for government applications. To design your own personal Interact AS system, please contact one of our recommended distribution partners. If you need help in finding a partner, let us know, and we will be glad to connect you with a partner located near you.